Alright, so as you see, there's a little bit more on here than there was before. I've been trying to make sure everything is set up properly, so I connected it to the computer, did all the calibration. I've been having quite a bit of rough time with the UHF. This is my first time working with UHF, so it's a little bit harder than I thought. I can't get the PPM to work properly. I've been trying to calibrate it with the NASA, and it's just not catching every channel. I've been playing around with it a lot, and it's not working out for me. I'm gonna try again. I want to get it to work. If not, I'm just gonna use it the way it is and run all the channels. Who cares? You know, same thing. Besides that, it's coming out good. I was having issues with the gimbal, and that's the biggest reason why my build video has been put on hold for quite some time now, because I wanted to make sure everything was good before I let everybody else see it. So you're going to probably see in my build video, you're going to see some missing parts. I'm going to end up putting in some new parts and try to make it as detailed as possible, because a lot of people are asking, like, how is the gimbal put together? I did see a video right now of this guy who took pictures and laid it out really nice and made the video nice and slow paced, which is great, because people, it's not as easy as it looks. Everybody's been having issues like here and there. With my gimbal, it was jerking. That was my issue. It was jerking a lot. So I ended up figuring it out. One of the guys on FPV Lab went and showed me the way he did it, and that's what solved his problem. So I did the same thing, and what it was is I had to update the firmware on the gimbal controller, and then I had to go through the calibration process and calibrate it. So that means you have to level it, hold it level, calibrate, push it down, calibrate, push it up, calibrate, and face it to the quad and calibrate. And then you write it to the quad. I had to put all the original TBS settings back on it, which wasn't too bad. I could put a link in the description below to help you guys out in case you guys have problems. But I really recommend looking at FPV Lab. If you have any issues, you can ask them questions and they will help you out right away. I'm on there too, and I throw some questions and I throw some answers out all the time. So besides that, the build's going pretty well. As you can tell, it looks really nice. I gotta clean up the wires just from all the setup and stuff, but besides that, the build is going very well and everything is coming out looking really nice. I am putting the EasyOSD on here, and it's the TBS version, mainly because I like to know how far away I am, and when I'm going really far, I'd like to know like how far, what's the distance and everything like that. I'm not positive if I'm gonna end up putting the DJI GPS on here. I think I might just fly it in attitude mode and just take the GPS off, because it's just extra for no reason. I'm not going to really use the return to home feature, and that's about it. So there's really no point. I'm probably just going to take that off and leave it off. Besides that, everything is going pretty well. I've had, as you can tell, it's taking longer than I thought, and I've had a couple hiccups, but slowly but surely I'll get it done. And if I'm not able to run PPM, then I'm going to end up just switching and just running this receiver straight. No PPM. Right now I have the Spectrum receiver on there because I was testing it out and I didn't feel like keep connecting my Easy UHF battery and disconnecting it. And so for now I'm just running the AR8000, and that's about it. Just trying to get everything set up, trying to figure out where I'm gonna lay everything out, and how nice it's gonna look. I want to make sure it looks really good this time. Not that it didn't look good last time either, but Besides that, everything's pretty nice. I love the being able to have the buttons right here. It works really well. The USB for the gimbal controller, everything is very nicely placed, and everything works very well. But so far the build's going well. I should have a video soon. It might not be exactly how I want it, but that's because I had to frickin' skip and bypass a lot of stuff to make sure everything was good. So far it's been harder than I thought. So thanks for watching the video. Check out my other videos, and I will keep you informed as much as possible. Blah 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 blah. You know what I mean. So thanks. Have a nice day.